Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from parabolas of 11th class. The question is, a circle is drawn to pass through the extremities of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square equals to 8x. It is given that this circle also touches the directrix of the parabola. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, so let us write the given equation is y square equals to 8x, but the general form is y square equals to 4ax. Compare the terms. What you will get? 4a equals to 8, which implies a equals to 8 by 4, 2. Therefore, a equals to 2. Right? So, it is given that this circle also touches the directrix of the parabola. Right? And one more thing here, we got a equals to 2. So directrix equation, what you will get? Equation of directrix can be taken as x minus a equals to 0, which implies x minus 2 equals to 0, which implies x is equals to 2. Okay, now this is the directrix which is also passing through, means let us substitute x value, substitute x value in, let us take this as equation 1. In equation 1, y square equals to 8 into 2, which implies y square equals to 16, implies y square equals to 4 square. Therefore, y is equals to 4. Therefore, the extremities of lattice rectum, extremities of lattice rectum are what you will get? 2 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 4. This is L and this is L dash. Okay, these are the extremities of the lattice rectum. So here what we have to find, actually we have to find the radius of the circle. So if you like this, the figure will be, if you take the figure in this way, this is lattice rectum and the circle is in this way. Okay, now if you observe, this is the even the radius, diameter. Lattice rectum became the diameter of the circle. So what is actually, this is 4a, right? So here the diameter of the circle we got 4a, but here we want only the radius, which is equals to 2a. Understood what I said? Length of lattice rectum, okay, length of lattice rectum is equals to 4a, which is equals to diameter of circle. Right? But here they asked to find the radius. Radius equals to what, ma? Diameter by 2. By 2, which is equals to, what is diameter here? 4a. 4a by 2 equals to 2a. But we know a equals to 2. Therefore, radius equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Understood? Otherwise, you can take from here to here, what is the distance? This is 2 and this will be 4, right? What I am saying, are you able to understand? If you take this and this is directrix, this is latus rectum, and the circle is like this, right? This whole will be what, ma? This will be what we say. This is distance between y-axis and this latus rectum, right? And this is distance between x and x-axis and latus rectum. Means that directrix. So this length is what we say. Here, from here to here it is what? From here to here it is from x. This is 2. Means this distance is 2. This distance is 4. Understood? So in that sense also you can take directly as it is the radius of the circle is 4. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.